Everyone, in today's video we will see how to reset the Genie garage door opener, factory reset, reprogram and power cycle. So reset newer Genie opener the 2021 to present. The step 1, make sure the garage door area is clear of people, pets, vehicles and object. Then you can locate the PRGM set program set button on the opener motor unit. Now press and hold the PRGM set until the round LED turns blue. Then release the button and press and hold the up, plus and down minus button simultaneously. Step 6, continue holding until the LED turns blue, flash and then stop. So you can release both buttons. Test a remote. Previously programmed remotes should no longer operate the opener. Then older Genie opener. In 1995 to 2021, locate the learn code button usually on the motor head or underneath the light cover. Now press and hold learn code until the LED stops blinking. And release the buttons and test the remote to confirm that it no longer operates the door. Now reprogram your current remote and keypad. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.